and thank you for watching my channel. I'm Keela, and today I want to share with you all a free AI tool that I just started using. It's so funny because I actually heard about this tool about 2 years ago, but never actually tried it. So now that I'm revamping this personal page of mine, I actually tried it. So first I'll show you all. I have this video I just recently created. If you haven't checked it out yet, be sure to check it out. It's the free AI tools video. And as you can see at the bottom, it's about 5 minutes long. So typically, content creators, we are making these long form videos, but then we want the shorter clips. You want to get the highlights or you want to create an actual short. So you have to go in and put time and effort into condensing these videos down to a shorter clip. But Opus clip, OPUS clip, they are absolutely awesome. As you can see here, I uploaded my video and they created all 7 of these clips. Okay, and I'll say it took maybe about a few minutes to get all of these clips, but not only did they create these highlight clips, but they also even added captions to it, which is awesome. They resized it for me, and you can see they're pretty good sizes. You have 40 seconds, 43 seconds, and I'll just show you all. I mean, I literally looked them over a little bit and just went ahead and uploaded them to my channel. So let's just click on one that I used. I don't know if you all can hear the sound for that, but this is awesome. This is one of the tools that I highlighted in the other video. They have the captions here. It's my voice on here that's talking, and it's great. I didn't really have to do much of anything. Now, because I am using the free version, it did have Opus clip at the top, but I just went right over that. All I had to do was put a caption up here, which is what I normally do anyway. And you can't even tell. So I absolutely love this tool now. Drop down in the comments and let me know, do you use Opus Clip? Have you ever heard of Opus Clip? And what's been your experience with the AI tool? Thanks for watching.